Here I have Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to switch photo mirroring on this device, in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings. Now first we have to switch to the front camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here we have mirror front camera. So let's, for example, right now take photo mirror effect. And now let's disable this feature. And as you can see, these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.